Among too many brands that promises that, they give you the best tools for woodworking. Kreg Tools come in the most reliable list. That's why in this video, we're here with some latest Kreg tools that will take your projects to the next level. If you've ever struggled to get perfectly aligned cabinet face frames, the all-new Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This handy tool is designed specifically for aligning and connecting cabinet face frames with precision. What really makes it stand out is the thick, protective pads that grip securely without damaging your work surface. Plus, it features a built-in pilot hole drill guide, so you can drill and attach without constantly readjusting. And thanks to its all-metal construction, it's built to last through years of reliable use. Even better, it comes with 2 clamps, making it simple to keep everything aligned both vertically and horizontally. When it comes to keeping your workshop clean and your tools running efficiently, the Kreg Dust Separator is a total game changer. Designed to work with most standard 5-gallon buckets, this smart tool captures over 99.9% of dust and debris before it reaches your vacuum. That helps extend your vacuum's filter life by up to 10 times, saving time, hassle, and maintenance costs. It features molded Filter Max fins, engineered to separate even the finest dust with precision. The clear, see-through top lets you watch the dust being pulled in, so you know it's working. And with a 90-degree swivel elbow on top, the unit stays stable and is easier to move around without tipping. So if you're a weekend DIYer or a professional woodworker, the Kreg Dust Separator improves air quality, reduces the need for constant filter replacements, and keeps your workspace cleaner on every project. Meet the new MortiseMate loose tenon jig from Kreg. This tool redefines traditional wood joinery by making strong, precise joints easier than ever. This innovative tool lets you create loose tenon joints using just a drill, no router required, while still achieving professional quality results. It features an exclusive auto-indexing step-down mechanism that lowers the cutter by 1/16 inch with each pass, allowing for accurate and repeatable mortise cuts without complicated setups. You also get micro adjustment screws to fine-tune mortise width, so you can get a snug or slightly looser fit depending on your project. An integrated mini work surface provides quick and easy clamping with trigger-style clamps, making it perfect for both stationary setups and mobile use. With the MortiseMate, you can handle demanding joinery tasks with precision and confidence, saving time while raising the quality of your work. Sometimes all you need is a solid, reliable surface to get your project off the ground. And that's where the Kreg Portable Work Surface comes in. Designed for woodworking, DIY tasks, crafting, and more, this compact workspace brings serious functionality to any room, whether you're in the garage, basement, or even your living room. Built with ultra-flat, medium-density fiberboard, it provides a smooth, dependable surface for all kinds of tasks. The Grip Max anti-slip cords help hold your materials securely in place, giving you the control and stability needed for more detailed work. You'll also find precision-machined 3/4 inch dog holes for easy clamping, plus 4-inch leveling feet that add clearance, perfect for when you need room for cutting or securing your work. With a smart design and portable size, this work surface turns any spot into a productive, flexible workspace. If you're looking for a reliable, go-to pocket hole solution, the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig K4 is a classic for a reason. Trusted by both DIYers and pros, it brings together precision, adjustability, and durability in one easy-to-use tool. The 3-hole drill guide gives you perfectly placed pocket holes across a range of material widths and thicknesses, from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches, adjustable in 1/8 inch increments. The hardened steel drill guides are built to last and even come backed by a lifetime warranty. To help keep your workspace clean, the included dust collection adapter hooks right up to your shop vac. One of the standout features is the rear-mounted clamp, a Kreg original designed for serious holding power and stability. Making adjustments is simple too. Just release the lock nut and rotate the clamp pad to your desired setting. No matter you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom shelving, the K4 helps you work faster and more confidently with strong, accurate joints every time. When it comes to installing cabinet hardware, the Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro is the tool you want by your side. Whether you're putting on a single new knob or dozens of large pulls, it handles everything from 1 3/4 inches up to 12 inches center to center, making sure every hole is perfectly placed for professional, consistent results. What makes it so easy to use are the movable end stop and built-in measuring scales, which include both imperial and metric markings. These features let you position knobs and pulls with pinpoint accuracy every time. On top of that, the jig has movable, hardened steel drill guides that lock firmly in place so you can drill straight, perfectly spaced holes over and over again. And since it works with almost any style of knob or pull, it's one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. For fast and versatile clamping on any woodworking project, the VersaGrip Clamp is a must-have. Its adaptable clamp head can slide along the bar and even flip around, so you can use it in all kinds of different clamping situations. The soft, non-marring clamp pads are removable too, protecting your workpieces from damage. Plus, the handle has an easy release trigger that makes unclamping quick and hassle-free. To make things even better, the VersaGrip comes with a pocket-hole jig adapter that works seamlessly with Kreg's 300 series and extra-large pocket-hole jigs. And no matter what project you're working on, you can choose from 4 different clamp lengths: 6 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches. So you always have the perfect size for the job. Let's be honest, mounting drawer fronts and getting those perfect gaps can be awkward, time-consuming, and pretty frustrating. That's where drawer front mounting clamps come in to save the day. These rugged, easy-to-use steel clamps help you achieve consistent, professional results every time thanks to their built-in alignment scale and marks. These sturdy steel clamps make it easy to get perfect, consistent results with built-in measurement guides and grip max pads that hold tight without damaging your drawer fronts. To use them, place the clamps on each side of the drawer box and line up the measurement faces with the drawer front. Tighten the clamps with the big knobs to hold the drawer front in place. Slide the drawer front into the clamps and use the measurements to center it. Then, adjust the clamp knobs so the front stays put but can still move slightly. Next, use the included spacer shims or your own blocks to set the exact gap you want. The grip max pads keep the front from slipping while you work. When everything looks good, open the drawer and screw the front on permanently. With these clamps, installing drawer fronts becomes faster, easier, and way less stressful. That's our rundown of the slickest new Kreg tools for woodworking. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.